Lilith has been summoned by many in the past. Women who want babies, men who want riches and fame, but never a child. Looking through the child's memories, it's clear to see why he summoned the mother of demons. Lilith, first woman, elder sister of Eve, wife of the morning star, she who embraced freedom and self-actualization and spurned they who would fruitlessly try to control her, was currently standing before a frightened child of all things. Lilith usually relished the feeling of being summoned. She was under no obligation to actually answer anyone foolish enough to try and summon her, of course, but getting the chance to return to the mortal realm and teach some idiot a lesson on the folly of attempting to control the uncontrollable, a lesson they sometimes took straight to their swiftly delivered grave, no less, was always a highlight of every given decade or so in which it happened. Yet, as she looked down upon the young boy who had summoned her, she felt only pity. The boy that stood before Lilith couldn't be older than 7 or 8. His hair was a mess. His face was scratched, swollen and bruised. He could only look at her with one eye, as the other was swollen shut. His baggy, ill-fitting clothes were full of holes and clearly purchased from the cheapest possible thrift stores or perhaps fished from a dumpster. Tears leaked from his eyes as he